My love, for years you've been my constant. Ang OA sa nonchalant kong mundo, ang kulit sa mahiyaing ako, at ang taga-ubos ng pagkain ko. Kidding aside, for years of being together, I started to see a reflection of love I've known my whole life.
Standing on is right where we belong. This freedom that we found, it's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for anything.
Hi love, here's a gift that always appreciates just like my love for you. See you later. I love you. Much love, Belle.
We'll take it all if we want it.
To my love, Maria Isabel, this bracelet, a symbol of the enduring love we share, the unbreakable bond that connects us, and the timeless beauty I see in you every single day. As you wear this, I hope it becomes a warm, constant reminder. Every shared laugh, every quiet moment, every memory we've created together. And just as you bring so much light into my world, my deepest hope is that this bangle brings you boundless joy. I love you always.
Anything now. It's clear to see we're ready for anything now. Yeah, you and me, we're ready for anything
One. Thank you, brother. Yes.
Keith, Darbs,
ground we're standing.
so my love, today, I promise to love you deeply, to support you through every chapter life brings us.
Promise to be with you always, within the best of times, and carry you through worst.
Standing on is right where we belong. This feeling that we found.
Sa buhay ninyo, naranasan ninyo ang matuto, matumba, magkamali, maging masaya, at maging malungkot. But you found each other. Marriage is not just a coincidence or an accident. It is a choice. Paninindigan ninyo ang iyong desisyon. Ipadama at pangatawan ninyo ang iyong pagmamahal sa isa't isa.
It's just the beginning of a world unknown. Our pages of stories are just being told, and it goes on and on. Oh, it's where we belong. Oh, this moment that we're lost in, ever more than I imagined. Our forever, oh, has just begun. My only one, I can feel it.
Maraming salamat sa pagsipot sa ating kasal. Naalala ko noon, nung high school pa, tuwing lunch, inaantay kita umuwi. Para lang makasabay ka maglakad. Ngayong araw naman, hinintay kitang makarating mula sa aisle ng simbahan.
Para ka nang si Papa na lagi lang sumusuporta sa anumang gustuhin ko sa buhay. Si Mama na worrier, pero only cares for me a lot. And si Nono, who always seek and values whatever I say. To cut it short, a love that always felt like home.
Oh, this moment that we're lost in, ever more than I imagined. Our forever, oh, has just begun.
Belle, these past years, being with you has been the best years of my life.
A lot of people tell why we took this long, 11 years. But they didn't know that you also waited for me to grow and waited for me to be ready.
Today, I choose to spend the rest of my life with you, knowing that even when we have weathered all that life offers, my love for you will never end.
My only one. My only one.
Sa dinami-daming lugar na aking napuntahan, tanging sa piling mo pa din ang paborito kong uwian. Sa mainit mong yakap at sa pusong di nagsasawang mahalin ako.
I can feel it in the mystery. Every step in, every heartbeat to forever. You and I will run. My only one. My only one.
You are my heart, my peace, and my forever. And I vow to be yours in every way for the rest of our lives. I can't wait to spend 11 more lifetimes with you. Mahal na mahal kita.